Guys, it's your boy Shrek and we're back with another Civic video. I'm gonna start pumping these out because I'm already motivated. It's gonna stop raining out here in SoCal, so it's perfect time to start working on the Civic finally, our little project. On today's video, what I will be doing is ripping out the carpet on it. Starting today, we're ripping out the carpet and some of this trimming, the trim, the carpet. Got my little tools so I can start pulling all the screws off and pulling all the stuff off. And then the panels, I also have to fix this handle. So you can tell it won't open it. It opens from the inside but not from the outside. So I need to grease this up too. This car hasn't been used in, I believe, like I said earlier, like 6+ years. I know for sure 6 years, might be more. So for sure we need to grease it up. The door handles, everything, all the mechanisms. We'll re-grease everything. And then, yeah, we're gonna take off the carpet, the panels, get them prepped up. Hopefully we get some dye. Well, I'm gonna clean them out outside on the floor with the pressure washer, like I said, a brush, have my drill, some degreaser. I just use Awesome with some water. We're gonna get started on that and see how that goes. I'll probably buy the dye sometime this week. That way it's all part of the video. So today we're just ripping it out, cleaning off the carpet and having it ready for letting it dry out. That way once we get the dye, we're ready to go. Alright guys, so we got the carpet out. It looks dirtier than before, so we will have to vacuum this. And it had a spot right here where you have to, I guess, unbolt this. I didn't unbolt it, the handbrake, so I just ripped the piece off of a little slit right there. And then over here in the front, oh, right here, look, that's another piece stuck. Oh, it's there. I'll end up taking it off, but there's all our pieces, our trim pieces that we will be painting as well. I want to paint them black. So far that's it. I'm gonna start cleaning the carpet right now and I'll show you guys that right now. Alright guys, so for starters we will be vacuuming it, and then I brought the pressure washer out. We'll get started with that. Let me find a spot for you guys. What's going on guys? We're back. This is, well, too dark over there. Yeah, this is a whole different day. We're actually going to start dyeing the carpet today. So we already washed it. Sorry for the lighting, I'm in my garage. So we're gonna start dyeing it with this product thing called Rit Black. So what I'm gonna do is spray it with the water bottle, completely spray, and then brush it out. Hopefully that works. If not, we shall see what we end up doing. But I bought 2 of those bottles, so I will be doing it probably 4 times. I did half of a bottle inside of this with, I don't know how many ounces, with hot water. It was like semi-boiling, but said it had to be like 140 degrees. Let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna set you guys right here. Let me see. Set you guys, well, right there. See what shot I can get for you guys. All right, let's start out. Alright guys, alright, this is one coat. I don't know if you can tell much, just got a slightly darker. It's a little wet. We're gonna let it dry out a little bit, and we're gonna go prep the rest of that bottle and spray it on again, see if it starts getting darker. I'm also going to go put some gloves on because it actually stains your hands, and I need to clean the floor because I started staining the floor. So it worked on the floor, hopefully it works on the carpet. A lot of you guys are probably like, dude, you're messing it up, you don't know how you're doing. Yes, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm learning as I go, so bear with me. I'll go ahead and prep another bottle of dye, and I'll come back and spray it on one more time. Alright guys, doing the second coat. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so that's the second coat. I think on the next one I'm doing a whole bottle on it, make it darker. I need to fix all this stuff. There we go. Oh yeah guys, right now I'm gonna bring actually another light, that way I could have a light facing the carpet for better image, that way I could see, because I'm starting to go blind. And I actually forgot to put on gloves, but I'll be bringing a light right now so I can see better. Like I said, I have one more bottle of that RIT stuff. I'll go ahead and put that all into one spray bottle out of the hot water, and hopefully that works better. Gets darker faster because it ain't that dark. I got a little dark, but it ain't that dark. Not as dark as I was expecting. Yeah, it doesn't look that dark yet. It looks like a dark brown so far. Well, you can see it still looks pretty light, especially in camera. So let me go ahead and get that prepped up. Be right back. All right guys, this time we do have gloves, got a light. Let's go ahead, and I put the whole bottle this time in there, the whole RIT bottle. So yeah, it's a lot darker already. Let's go ahead and speed this up. Alright guys, so a few things. If you're gonna do this, make sure you do it where nothing's gonna get dirty behind it. I'm definitely going to go buy more of those the RIT stuff. I have to buy a few more because it's not the shade we want. We want it to be black. Black, black, black. If you guys are doing this, I recommend you do it in a area where nothing behind it is gonna get stained, because while I was spraying and the material or the liquid was flowing behind it, it got all the stuff behind dirty. The Dodgers are about to play, so that means I'm done for the day. Go watch the game and then continue tomorrow. That's gonna be it for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. We're working on, what is this, like day 2 or 3, something like that. But today we have a tripod. I forgot I had a tripod in my room. Anyways, third bottle. I went and bought some more of that. Oof, this is hot. Oh, I went and bought another bottle of that RIT dye. We're on bottle 3 now. I actually mixed the whole bottle of RIT this time, and I'm going to be putting 2 more bottles on this. As you can tell, it's not as dark as I want it. I want it to be black, not dark brown. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it down some more and see how it comes out this time. Probably won't brush it like I was doing it already. You know how I was brushing it on. I'm probably not gonna brush it right now. Just gonna let it dry up a little bit. So here we go. Alright guys, like I said, this time we're not going to brush it out. This time I just spray it out and let it dry out. Then I'm going to do one more bottle and maybe I'll brush that one out. But for now I'm going to let it dry a couple minutes, see how it comes out. It's already getting darker, so I'm just going to do another bottle like I said, and that's it. I'm not buying no more. So that'll be 4 bottles of the RIT, and then we're going to start working on the trim. But I did go and buy the battery finally, so hopefully we get it started sometime this week. But yeah, I'll be right back when this dries out. Using a lamp so we can see it. It's starting to get black. I believe one more coat. It still has at an angle, you can still see some brown in it, but I'm pretty sure that one more coat and we should be good. At least that's what I'm gonna do. Just one more coat and we're done. So I'm going to actually let it dry overnight. I'm thinking I'm gonna let it dry overnight because it's starting to get a really dark color to it. And then I will do one more tomorrow. So I'm doing another coat and there'll be a total of 4 coats now. And I don't think I'm gonna record it because it's getting repetitive. So there you have it. That is now 4 coats. I'm going to let it dry. We'll let it dry out and then we'll come back and see how it goes. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. You have the carpet all done up, nice and painted. Well, dyed as much as I could already. Did what, 4 coats on it? Oh, well, you can tell the original color on it, but that's where it was hanging from. Guess we dropped the ball on that one. That should be covered underneath the back seat, so I'm not too worried about that part. But let me go ahead and throw it back into the car and see what it looks like inside. Alright guys, so we just put the carpet back in on the car. We're just able to install the carpet back in and it looks really good. Go ahead and show you guys inside of it. We do have all the little fasteners and everything that we need to put back on, and I'm actually going to put the seats back on. Well, at least one seat, the front seat, driver's side, because I want to try to start it today. Well, at least throw the battery in and see if it will start. As reliable as Hondas are, all it will take will be a battery and some prayer. Today is Easter Sunday, that's why we're a little bit dressed up. We're a little dressed up, so yeah, let's see if this car will start and get the battery on. That'll be next video, but for now that's what it is. Carpet came out better than expected. I still need to clean it up a little bit. As you can tell, it's kind of dirty. So yeah, it's still dirty, so I do have to clean out. I'm gonna vacuum it now that's inside. I think it'll be easier. And there's everything. I'm not sure. I think it kind of shrunk. Might have shrunk. Well, that's the carpet. Dyed it for about $20. Alright guys, well, that's gonna be it for this video. That's us dyeing the carpet. I know it's probably a longer vid than it should. Try to cut it up and edit as much as I can, that way it's not so long and boring for you guys. But stay tuned, we're getting started with this build. Next video should be starting it up finally, and the following videos will be probably painting the trims that I want to paint, the black trims, installing the rest of the interior and moving it, then doing the oil change and all the maintenance work. But don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good jazz. If you're out on the road, be safe. If you're at home, have a good time with your family, enjoy them. Happy Easter to everyone. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace.